Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up Blender MCP in Cursor AI IDE. So let's get started. The prerequisite is going to be you must have Blender installed on your system. Also you must have Cursor AI IDE. In case if you want to watch the entire tutorial, I have already done that, how to install Cursor. So now let's begin. First thing, just Google Blender MCP. You'll be getting the first link from GitHub. Click this, and this repository is from Jasid. A huge shout out to him, like he has contributed this for free. And here if you scroll down, we'll be having the installation step. So first, on Windows we must run this particular command to install UV. So just open your command prompt, zoom in a bit, and you're just going to copy this command. Alright, copy this and paste it here and run this. So you'll be getting downloading UV. Once everything is done, you'll be having this uv.exe and uvx.exe getting installed. After this, we need to set the path. So just copy this, again go to command prompt and run this. That's it. And now if we run the command UV, as you can see here, we will be getting all this stuff, which means that we have installed it in the right way. That's good. Now we can close our command prompt. Next step is we need to have integration of the MCP server. So this is for Cloud Desktop. I've also done an entire video of that. You can just check my channel list, or you can just click on the card. But we are going to do for Cursor. So these are the steps that we need to follow. Just copy this JSON, and you need to go to your Cursor IDE. To the top, you'll be having this settings icon. Select it and go to MCP. Click here, add new global MCP server, and just paste what you have copied and save it. And now go to Cursor settings. As you can see here, we have got our MCP server for Blender automatically added. Now we can just again go back to GitHub. We are done with this step. If you scroll down, the next step is going to be installing the Blender add-on. So for that, we need to download the addon.py file and just click on install from that. So these are the steps we need to follow. So to get this file, just scroll up. Here you'll be having the list of files and folders, and we are having addon.py. Click here and just download this. We'll be having download raw file. Download it. And now you can just go to your Blender, click on edit, and you'll be having preferences. Here click on install and go to downloads and select the addon.py file. Click on install add-on, and we'll be having this. And make sure that you are enabling this interface. Okay, make sure that you need to enable this. If you don't enable, you won't be getting that option over here. Once that is done, close it, and now just press the N key on the keyboard. After that, we can just select this Blender MCP and click on connect to MCP server, and that's it. It has been running. So if we go to the GitHub page again, and if we scroll down, and that's it, we have done this, and we can just start using it now. So now just go to my Cursor. Now we need to get the chat interface. So to get that, it's going to be Control and L. Alright, and let me just have the Blender interface and Cursor interface side by side like this. So here we can ask anything and it will get automatically implemented. So you can change the model that you want. I guess max models are paid and the rest ones are free. Okay, I'll just go with Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and I will just give the prompt remove the cube from scene and send this. So in some cases it will ask us to select this run tool. So as you can see here, only after clicking on this it will execute that particular step. So I'll just click on run tool and again click run tool, and you just saw that, right? The cube has been removed. So this is how it does. Every time it will ask you some things to do, and the cube has been successfully removed. Now let's go with something complex. And also to the top in Blender, we will be having this use assets from Polyhaven and use this Hyper 3D. Okay, I guess this Hyper 3D is paid because it's asking us this API key. Yeah, it's asking us this API key, I guess. So I guess this Polyhaven is free. So I'll just check this, and let me just go and ask this prompt. Can you create me a house with few trees with realistic colors and textures? and send this. And even now you will be getting that option to click on run tool like this. So make sure that you are just clicking that particular thing. This is the output that I'm getting for a home and trees. I don't know why one tree is like dashing into the home, but let's see the colored version. So this is how it looks. It has added some textures and it takes quite some time to load in my system. Quite realistic, but yeah, still does an amazing job in case if you want like those low polyfill 3D models. And that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.